Moikka! A while back I started this series called Whimsical Art Journaling for Beginners with 3 steps. And today I had the inspiration to do this again. This is so much fun. So let's grab our mixed media art supplies and do some whimsical art journaling. I am Mari from Taiga Journals. Welcome to my channel. Here is some of my mixed media supplies that I will use today. I am so excited. Let's open the journal and start the whimsical art journaling. The first step is to do the background. Today I will be using these liquid watercolors. I really love to paint with these. I think these are very nice. But you can do this with any kind of medium that you love. And just put some colors here and there. You do not have to think about it too much. Just play with colors and have fun. Yes, but let's start the background painting. Now take a look at your painting and what do you see? And in my painting I see a stormy mountain scenery. I think here are some storm clouds and this is ground and maybe these could be flowers, big whimsical flowers, and here this could be a flower meadow. And there is a little bit sunshine coming through from the storm. Yes, I think this looks like that. The next step is to start drawing the elements to the page and decorating. For example, I will draw these clouds and flowers and some decorations on the ground and do whatever comes to your mind when you are doing the decorating. Once you start the process, there might be new ideas along the way. So let's start the drawing and decorating. Now the decorating part is done. I love this process because you cannot know what you're gonna do until you have the painting done. So this is what came up today. The next step is to add more decorations to the paper. And now you will be using something from outside the spread. And now you can make some decorations from different kind of papers. And you can draw characters and you can put in some quotes and you can make little houses if you like. Or you can use ready-made pictures. Whatever fits to your art journaling spread, do that. Today I will be using some kind of different papers, old book pages, and then I will be using some fall quotes and my fall characters that I drew last week. And if you want to use these quotes or these characters, these are now for sale on my Etsy shop as a digital print, so you can print these at home. But yes, let's start the paper decorating and let's enjoy the process. Well, that was fun. And this is just amazing, this kind of art journaling, because you have no idea what you're gonna get. This is what came up today. But yes, happy whimsical art journalings and until next time. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.